Hey everyone, I'm Raluca and welcome to my YouTube channel. One of my goals for 2020 is to actually film more for YouTube. I used to do a few videos back in the day. I'm not really proud of them. I probably won't be proud of this one either, but you know, we gotta start somewhere and I'm starting here again. If you follow me on my Instagram, you know that I love a bold look, I love color. For today, I don't know, I was actually feeling kind of a soft glam moment. So that's what I did. And I hope you liked it. And if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have my brows already done. If you maybe want me to film a tutorial for my brow routine, you can comment down below and I'll make sure to film one for you. Okay, so for this look I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm first going to prime using this Stay Naked concealer by Urban Decay. I'm in the shade 40 NN. I'm going to use a flat brush. This one is from Morphe, from the vegan brush set. And I'm going to go below the brow to give it like a more defined look. With a patting motion, I'm going to prime my eyelids. So for this soft glam eye look, I'm obviously going to use this soft glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For my transition today, I'm going to use the burnt orange color from the soft glam palette, this one right here. And I'm going to apply my transition shade with a Morphe M330 brush. I'm going to use circular motions and really buff that color in. ABH shadows are so pigmented, you don't need a lot. You barely tap that brush in the palette and boom, pigment. I'm actually going to use this on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so next up I'm going to use the shade Sienna. It's a slightly darker brown with a warm undertone. And I'm going to use that on a Morphe M607. I'm going to keep this mainly in the outer corner, just to deepen that outer corner a little bit. Just slightly taking it into the crease. I'm not pressing too hard at all. Slightly blend it with the burnt orange color. Take my fluffy brush again and make sure this is all blended. On my lid, I'm going to apply the orange soda color here that I'm later going to cover with some glitter. And I'm using the Makeup Addiction medium shader brush. Going lighter towards the outer corner, just to blend it with the outer corner color. And I'm going to take my small brush again and just make sure that the colors are blended with each other. To add a glittery twist to this look, I'm going to use the Fenty Diamond Bomb. I'm just going to take it on my fingers. This is the only way I apply this product. I can apply it with a brush. And I'm just going to gently tap it on the lid, right above that orange soda color. This is my favorite product I've tried from Fenty. I apply it on my chest, on my eyes, on my face. I just love it. I want to kind of deepen my lash line. I'm going to use the brown first, the Cypress Amber color, and apply it really close to my lash line with a flat brush like this. This one is from e.l.f. It's their eyeliner brush. Okay. Kind of dragging the color to kind of smudge it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Morphe M507 again and slightly apply the color into my outer corner. For my waterline, I'm going to use this pencil by NYX. It's the Faux white pencil in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to leave the eyes like this for a while, and I'm moving on to the face. First, I'm going to use this SVR sunscreen. It's SPF 50. I like it because it acts like a primer. It kind of blurs the skin. It has this really light mousse texture. And it's not greasy at all. Most sunscreens are so very greasy, but this one isn't. And it's my favorite I've tried so far. For foundation, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 40N. I love this thing. It's medium coverage, it's lightweight, it lasts very well on my skin. I'm going to place like maybe 2 pumps. I'm going to use my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. This is my favorite foundation brush ever. And I'm going to start tapping the product into my skin. For concealer, I'm going to use again the Stay Naked Concealer by Urban Decay. To blend this concealer in, I'm going to use this brush by Morphe. It's again from the Vegan Brush set. I'll just go around the eyeshadow, kind of erasing this part here. That's why I like doing my eyes first. It's like with the foundation and concealer I can kind of correct the eye look. So I'm going to cover this part right here to make the eyeshadow kind of go up like this. Okay, I'm going to set this concealer using this powder from Boys and Berries. I'm going to take this brush again from the Vegan Brush set by Morphe. I'm doing slightly bit of baking. I wouldn't really call it baking because I don't leave the powder on for too long. I just apply a decent amount of powder and I just leave it there for like a minute maybe. I feel like my concealer lasts longer this way, and also it brightens up this eye area. Okay, and I'm just going to press it in using the same brush. I want to slightly fix my blending, just kind of diffuse this edge right here. Okay, moving on to contour, I'm going to use this palette by NYX. I love that it has all the different shades. It has warm tones, it has a cool tone. I use these two combined. And I'm applying the contour using a Morphe M405. I'm using circular motions to blend in the contour. By the way, have you seen Nikki Tutorials coming out video? I'm in shock, but I mean like a good shock. I know she mentioned in that video that she hopes that we're not going to see her differently or anything like that. But dude, like, I just can't see her like I used to. And that's because now I see her like a million times better. I feel like she's so brave and inspirational, and I don't know, I just love her even more now. And I just can't stop thinking about it. It's like I want to hug her or something. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry and ruin this makeup. No. Going to do a little bit of a nose contour using this cool tone shade right here. I'm contouring under my nose to give it like a pointy, lifted appearance. And then on the sides, you gotta make sure that you draw like two lines, but keep them really close to each other. If you draw like on the sides of the nose, you will make your nose actually look bigger than it is. For blush today, I'm going to use this one by Sigma. It's the Aura Face Powder in the shade, I think this is the shade Cor de Rosa. I like that it's a natural, not pink, not peachy shade. It's just this beautiful tone. I'm going to use this brush from Elf. It's the small taper brush. I like that it concentrates the color where I want it to stay. I keep it a little bit above my contour. I want to keep this whole look pretty warm as it is right now, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. It's this warm, kind of peachy shade. It's really beautiful. I love how it looks on the skin. I'm going to apply the highlighter using this Sigma F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter. It's just this beautiful, beautiful glow. You can definitely see it, but it's not too intense. I just love it. I will apply it on the tip of my nose as well. And slightly on the bridge of the nose, mainly concentrating here between my brows. This is where I love to highlight for some reason. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone. Oh, by the way, this brush is again from the Big Brush set by Morphe. I use that set a lot. To highlight my inner corner, I'm actually going to use the shade Glistening. Yeah, the shade Glistening from the Soft Glam palette. It's like this light golden shade. I'm going to curl my lashes using this lash curler. It's no name. I think any lash curler works, to be honest. And I'm going to carefully curl my lashes. Okay, now I'm going to apply this mascara. Why did I sound Spanish? It's the Mascara Volume Effet Faux. And I apply like 2 or 3 coats of mascara. I can't apply false lashes this season because my eyes are watering like crazy. They start watering all over my face, and false lashes just don't stay glued to my eye. So I'm waiting for spring so I can apply false lashes. I don't know, it's just something cold does to my eyes. What coat of mascara is this? I don't know. I'm just going to let it dry for a little bit. And I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes with the same motion. And I'm going to do one more coat now that it's almost dried. For my lips, again, I want to keep this warm orangey toned shade. And I'm going to use this lip pencil by Boys and Berries. This one is in the shade Butter Nude. And I'm going to slightly overline my lips. And I'm going to apply this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 55 Driver. It's this light orange nude. And to set everything in place, I'm going to use this Mist and Fix by Makeup Forever setting spray. Okay, so this is the look all complete. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like it down below and also subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I would really appreciate that. It's at raluca.makeup, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!